Where I end and you begin. Where I end and you begin. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Where does it come from?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am so excited. We are doing my very first collab with an extremely talented makeup artist who I've been following for a number of months now, and I really admire her work. Please go check out her channel. I'll leave all of her info in the description bar below. Go click on the link, check her out, show her some love. I think she's amazing. I love that we collab. And without further rambling, let's just get into the video. Starting with the basics, we have shampoo and conditioner. Today I'm going to show you my absolute favorite, but just so you all know, I'm not trying to sell you on anything. I'm also really going to share with you two other brands that I have been absolutely loving. They're very high-end, very good quality, and I've been using pretty much all three of them for the past year. Personally, I don't have very thick hair, but I do think it's something to be said when you only need a small amount of product. I should also mention, using Monat, you do need to shampoo your hair twice, so that's what I did, just massaging the scalp and then bringing it down just mid-shaft and letting the water bring it down to the ends. This conditioner is awesome! It leaves your hair so silky and soft without that silicone feel, and I just apply it to the mid-shaft to the ends and rinse it out. Again, I am so sorry. I didn't mean for this video to be a one product show. More products are coming, I swear, keep watching. I am a hair product junkie. I'm always trying out new products, but needless to say, in my current routine, these are the products that I use. But any leave-in conditioner, oil, and serum will do just fine.
Oh, where does it come from? Where does it come from?
When styling my hair, I usually bounce between these three hot tools: my flat iron, the 2-inch curling iron, and then my 2-inch curling wand, which I'll be using today. And this is my holy grail without fail. Every time I wash my hair, the top of my head I'll section off into 4 quadrants and spray my roots. I find it helps create the illusion of thicker hair because it's harder to see your scalp. With regular dry shampoo, I'll just go ahead and section off the back of my hair. I do it this way because it does create a white cast and you do need to brush your hair to get it out. Spraying dry shampoo on my clean hair has really taught my hair how to go the 3 days before washing my hair again. I don't spray more dry shampoo on it on the 2nd and 3rd day. I know the first day was a lot. I went a little crazy. But on the 2nd and 3rd day, the product is already there. I just brush my hair out and the oils are already absorbed. Moving on to curls, I love curling my hair. It's personal preference. I find I have straight hair and you always want what you don't have. I just think it gives my hair a lot more volume and body, and that's what I'm going for with my fine, thin hair. I'm just loosely wrapping my hair around my 2-inch barrel, leaving 1.5 inches out from the bottom, and I always go away from my face with all my curls. For the past year, texturizing sprays and flexible hold hairsprays have been my #1 go-to. I love the results it gives. It really does give a soft and gentle, flexible hold that I can play with my hair, switch it from either side, brush it out. I just love it. It gives you volume and everything that I want with my thin hair. Also, I didn't mention this, but the Powder Grip by Redken is phenomenal. I would highly recommend it. You sprinkle it into your roots and it just gives you such grit and volume in your hair. And that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!